Ka jingthep vote na bynta ban Jied ya ka president ubakhatsan ka ri India ka lalong mynne ka sngi kata ka khat tarik Naitung hajar ya ka bala pynlong ha ka parliament ha nongbah Delhi bat ha ki iing dorbar thawaiñ kylleng satlak ka ri India. Ha Meghalaya ka jingjied ya ka president ka ri India kala sdang naduh mynstep ha ka baki MLA ka jylla kila leit bani shim lang da ka ba thep ya ki vote jong ki ya ka bala pynlong ha ka ophis jong ka iing dorbar thawaiñ ka jylla ne ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly ha nongbah Shillong. Ya ka jingniew ya ki vote on pynlong ha ka arpuway tarik Naitung but on pynbam smai ya ka president batmai ka ri ha ka arpu santarik Naitung hajar.
I would expect a huge feeling across the nation that here's this tribal who is now reaching to the highest office in this nation. We will all be expecting a lot from her. But everything is really not in her hand always. However, she can flag all of the issues of the backwardness of tribals located in different parts of this great nation. Once she is there as the head of this nation, we expect that there will be more focus on issues related to tribals living in the backward areas in this country. And that automatically will give us an opportunity to flag the predicaments of tribals across this nation, because as you can see, the country is already giving all of us tribals a very poised opportunity, but this poised opportunity is still not lifting tribals out of their backwardness to a large extent. Our areas still remain without education. Our areas still remain stricken by employment opportunities. Our areas are still not even connected adequately by various modern modes of transportation because of the locations in which we live. Usually, tribals are located in the very hilly, extreme areas. So this continues to be something which Government of India must attend to. And here is this opportunity for this lady, who is a tribal, to rally on our behalf and to fight for our rights. You can also see that there are debates that says that we need to review tribal status of Indian citizens in general across the nation. But mainland India and the non-tribals who are located in different parts of the country must understand that we are not yet at that level where we are at par with you. So the privileges that we have been enjoying since independence still has not brought us up to the mark. We still see this disadvantageous position that we continue to be in, because we are obviously behind the rest of India in so many parameters, whether it's health, education, employment generation, so many other social sectors which we still require. You can still see that tribal women continue to die. Maternal mortality rate is still very high. Tribal children still continue to be disadvantaged and continue to be located at very difficult locations. So this is something which this president, I have hope, will take to the various platforms of her presidency to highlight all of these issues and to continue to give us the support that we require.